fresh. Yeah, this is different. See, this is not
it's not
red.
red.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Where was I?
The best way we can define.
The best way we can define the sleep is met with here in this mantra. And even here, it is only a definition expressed in the language of negation. Thus, the mantra says that it is a state of wherein the sleeper does not desire any objects, nor does he see any dream. That experience in life, when we are neither waking nor dreaming, is considered as the experience of sleep. So, really, that is the sleep. So, we say, I slept 8 hours. But really you sleep about 20 minutes of the 8 hours.
Because here it's dividing the dream and the sleep as a deep sleep. We call it deep sleep.
Yeah.
Totally different states. So that's why it said that 3 different experiences. So the Vedanta looks at it a very different way. The dream state as well as deep sleep. हम लोग बोलते हैं like in common language में सोया था 8 घंटे 9 घंटे. That's not true according to this language. So.
And also the difference between deep sleep and death is that prana comes back.
Right.
Otherwise prana doesn't come back.
वो चला गया फिर कहीं और ही चला गया.
फिर वापस नहीं आया.
But one thing they're saying that you don't, your senses are gone, but in your dream you're eating, you're flying, you're doing everything.
No, the mind is active in dream. That's what I wanted you guys to understand.
Like I told you.
But our body is not doing
No,
that.
the
Body is not available.
The thing is, mind.
Body does not move in the dream, but mind is active. Deep sleep, both are not available.
Yeah.
Mind is folded too.
But they're saying the indriyas, how do we eat food in the dream?
No, mind is...
through the mind we're experiencing everything.
yes.
Not through the...
No, even
indriyas.
like when you have to go to bathroom,
Your
I
action,
see the
what you
dream
call
of
your-
the, I'm looking for everywhere
The
I'm going.
organs
and
of
sleep.
action
No,
are
there
not
is
working.
one explanation for
Yeah.
that. What we see as our indriyas, those are the gross manifestation of it. It is actually उसका जो बोलते हैं ना
कान,
कि
हाँ,
इंस्ट्रूमेंट है वो.
हाँ.
लेकिन उसका जो सटल
Subtle,
फॉर्म है
हाँ.
वो माइंड में है.
Correct.
उस realm में है. That उससे हम
That's what
experience
we're
करते हैं
experiencing,
उसको.
yeah.
Yes.
Not through the physical, but the subtle.
Yes.
thing. Subtle energies.
हाँ. इन लोग को सोचते हैं कि भाई कान अगर क्या बोलते हैं इंस्ट्रूमेंट है तो सुनना चाहिए. But there is another faculty according to Vedanta, and that it is more subtle, and those are the things that
We're
travel with us
experiencing,
also.
Yeah.
You know.
Those are the things that what did you
We're experiencing with a subtle energy.
No. What I said, when we die, the subtle body
Yeah.
travels, right?
Yeah. it
उसमें
goes
वो
out.
इंद्रियों का subtle impressions भी है.
Yeah.
It's a
Manomaya
record.
kosha.
मनोमय
Yeah.
कोश जो बोलते हैं ना.
Yeah.
Manomaya kosha has
वो
your
travel
desires
करता है.
and your
Yeah.
और जो
Emotions.
self realized होते हैं, finally when you merge with that consciousness, तब वो लय हो जाता है उसमें
yeah,
सब.
that is already finished. So in order to self-realize, you have to kill your desires, of course, but you have to exhaust your karmas.
Correct.
And that you can only do if you go in a karma mode. So it means you have to start doing everything which has no consequences. So then gradually you are working out your stack of karmas. So it may take thousands of lifetime or whatever.
No, but there is one technical thing I want to discuss here, because we have exhaustively discussed that, because there are a lot of, sometimes there's going to be confusion. So what you said. So what happens is that in every life we create karmas, right? We have a lot of impressions. And then in the storehouse somewhere, in a warehouse, it is with our name on it, it's kept. ये मेरे को exhaust करना, ये करना, ये करना, ये करना, right? उसमें से एक पैकेज फ्रूटिफाई होता है तो हमको ये जन्म मिलता है. तो उसका जो कोटा है ना कर्म का, वो फिक्स होता है, वो हमको पूरा करना ही पड़ता है, चाहे सेंट हो चाहे सिनर हो, कोई भी हो.
Right.
That's why Krishna Bhagwan and Ram Bhagwan, they also had to go through a lot of different things,
Yeah.
because that quota they had to do. But if somebody gets self-realized in this janam, the rest of it get burnt. That's the very important thing that we need to know. So every janam you are given a chance to burn up your entire warehouse. But it can only happen if you get completely established in that. And the reason that happens is कि वो तुम्हारा ईगो पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, तुम्हारा एड्रेस ही नहीं है, तो वो पैकेज आएगा कहाँ पे? That's one way to Because sometimes it's hard to understand कि ये
Yeah,
क्या.
yeah.
तो हम लोग ने बड़े example सोचे ये सब.
Yeah.
So
नहीं, वो उसको गीता में बोला है उसने
हाँ.
कि at the time of your death, if you can not think about anything but
But
go
just-
through the head with Om,
Then everything is gone. But there is one trick on this.
Right.
So लोग बोलते हैं कि ना हम
नाम,
जब
भगवान
मरेंगे
का
तब
नाम।
सोचेंगे भगवान का नाम,
हाँ।
मरेंगे तब वही याद आता है जो तुमने जिंदगी भर किया हो.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
So you
तो
have to
अगर हमने
practice that.
yes,
Yeah, yeah. yeah.
okay, when you are dying,
Yeah.
If you take God's name.
तुमको वही याद आएगा जो तुमने पूरी जिंदगी भर जिसके
Oh,
लिए
it's
स्ट्राइक
like
किया,
a
जो
film.
तुम्हारे लिए
Yeah.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है.
Yeah.
If you are related, if you love your son so much, तुम्हारा बेटे का
बेटा ही याद आएगा।
end
वो
में।
आएगा,
हाँ।
वो नहीं होना चाहिए.
हाँ, या मोह, या किसी को बिजनेस में बहुत, तो उसको
Yeah.
अपना बिजनेस ही याद आएगा. सो अगर तुमको वो भगवान चाहिए एंड में, तो तुमको अभी प्रैक्टिस करनी
Practice
पड़ेगी.
करनी. That's the main.
या सो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि वो लास्ट में पुराने
Last
कथाएं
stage
भी
में
हैं
करेंगे,
कि
हाँ।
लास्ट में उसने नारायण बोल दिया तो वो चला गया, पर रियल लाइफ में ऐसा होता नहीं है. व्हेन ऑल द चिप्स आर डाउन, तब तुम्हारे रियल इंप्रेशंस ही आते हैं सामने.
I also read somewhere that if you say Om every day for half an hour,
बिकॉज इमेजिन इफ यू से होम एवरी डे हाफ एन आवर, तुमको हैबिट हो जाएगी.
the thing is, then you are done.
या
You
लाइक
don't
यू नो
even
व्हेन
have to
माय
read.
पेरेंट्स पास्ड
You
अवे,
don't even have to read and understand.
दे वर
भगवान में
लिसनिंग
जप करना भी तो एक है ना सर, ओम बोलो, नाम बोलो,
नाम
नारायण
बोलो, जब
कुछ भी
बोलो, सुमिरन करो.
Yeah.
जो तुम बार बार जितनी बार करोगे, तभी ये लोग बोलते हैं ना, ये लोग जो साधु संत होते हैं बोलते हैं 1 करोड़ बार तुम नाम ले लो ना, पार हो जाओगे. क्यों? Why do they say that? It's not some kind of magic. It's because you live. फिर सोते जागते वही आता है. कोई तुमने गाना सुन लिया फेवरेट अपना, कैसे वो दिमाग में घूमता रहता है, right?
Yeah.
Sometime in the middle of the night also that song is running
Yeah.
in our head, or we wake up, it's running because you have practiced, you have listened, you are attached to it.
Yeah.
You know, that's what it is.
Okay.
So I think everybody got it till here.
Yeah.
You want to
So
continue?
you want to
कहाँ खत्म किया आपने?
contrasted.
यहाँ से शुरू करना है. Okay, I can read now.
Yeah.
Contrasted with the previous 2 states of consciousness, the waking and the dream, here in the deep sleep state of consciousness, the entire awareness available in the human form is being consolidated and conserved. In the waking state, the very same awareness is dissipated through the mental and the sense organ, indriyas,
The mind.
in the outer world of sense objects.
Her book is different. She's an older version.
It registers the knowledge of things. In the dream state also, the consciousnness in us is expressing itself in illuminating the thoughts of the mental world which we understand as dream. So I think there's one very important message in this paragraph, that why do we feel rested? Because all our energy is conserved over here. When we are dreaming, the energy is dissipated, right? In seeing the dream. And when we are waking up, I don't even have to tell you, in America, no, we get exhausted within 2 hours because we have to do so many things.
Yeah.
So that's what he's saying, that there is no dissipation of anything in those
I
two
think we
states.
should also discuss this one, the best way we can define deep sleep. That's an
Sure.
important-
What do you want to discuss about it? Tell me what you.
It's only the
read it.
definition expressed in the language of negation. What does this mean?
Negation means
mantra
क्या
says it's a
नहीं है
state.
उसमें, because वो state ऐसी है कि किसी को उसके बारे में, हम लोग जब सो जाते हैं तो हमको मालूम ही नहीं है भाई. So how do we define that state? So he's saying it's in negation means body is not available, mind is not available, indriyas are not working. It's a negation हो गया ना सारा. It's not available, not. That's what he's saying. That the
And
only
so
way
also
that
there's no desire, so that's also important. The dream state, there's no desire.
not deep
The deep,
state,
in the deep state,
sleep.
deep state, there's no desire,
Desire.
of objects, nor does he see any dream.
So somebody was saying this, which was such an important point. They said कि बोलते हैं ना कि we need abhyas and vairagya to move forward. तो लोग कहते हैं भी वैराग्य हमसे नहीं होगा. It's so difficult. किसी
Now what
something.
does abhyas and
Abhyas
viragya
means
mean?
practice.
Exercise.
Practice.
Practice.
Practice is
And
important.
virag,
Vairagya means
Detachment.
detachment.
detachment. So people get very afraid. Oh, I'm so attached to my house, my children. Why you are telling me to be detached? It's not possible. They said it is exactly opposite. Without vairagya, you cannot live, because in the deep sleep you have to drop everything. And when you are extremely sleepy, no matter how much you love your spouse or other person, say, please leave me alone, I want to
Yeah.
sleep.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
You know, at that time you will, and suppose किसी आदमी को तुम बोलो कि मैं तुझे $1,000,000 दूंगा, तू कल से सो मत. Do you think he will accept that?
No, he'll be crazy.
Exactly, he
He'll
knows he
become
will go
crazy.
crazy. So does that means that nature makes you vairagi at that time. You have to drop to live.
Yeah.
You can, and you know, if your partner passes away, you can live without a partner, you can live without a house, you can live without even water and food for a few days, but you cannot live without sleep your entire life.
Viragya, you can also have detachment. By
Yeah.
living in this world, you can also detach yourself.
That's the
That's
whole
what they're
goal.
saying. There's no
Yeah.
ये जो
desire.
हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं सब कर रहे हैं कि भाई
Yeah.
while living in this world how do I detach?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we are trying to strive for.
Yeah.
So in a way we are achieving towards the goal when we're in deep sleep because there's no desires in the deep
Yes,
sleep.
yes.
And
But
there's
there
no
is only
attachment.
thing is that there is we
There's
are
no
not
attachment
aware
to
of it.
anything, yeah.
We are not aware of it. That's why it doesn't do anything that much for us. It just it's useful for our
Yeah.
rejuvenating of the body, not so much
Yeah.
our soul, like what we are trying to strive. So does that clear everything? Why it's a negation and all that?
Yes.
Sneha?
Hmm.
Okay, huh? You have any other concern, question? Okay. So, Shireen, you can read from this.
No, we should understand this also. What is happening in this dream state?
Bolo.
The entire awareness available in the human form is being consolidated and conserved. So this is what is happening. We are conserving energy also.
Yeah, that's
in the
what I
deep
was saying.
state.
No?
Yeah.
Ki bhai in
Yeah.
the
In
deep
the
sleep.
waking state, the very same awareness is dissipated through the mind and the sense organs.
Whether you want it or not, it happens to everybody who
Yeah.
sleeps.
So even when we are awake, all this whatever we have learned on a dream state, we are wasting that energy.
Basically, the खर्च हो रही है energy. You can look at it that way. But जो deep sleep में conserve है,
अच्छा.
कुछ खर्च नहीं हो रहा है.
Hmm.
Yeah.
तो और वो that's why the healing happens. You know.
Yeah. Yeah. You need that. Okay, but when we have transcended both these states of waking,
And it also registers the knowledge of things.
कौन किस में?
इसमें
In
deep
the
state
yeah
में.
yeah. Because that's where we actually
So
waking.
that's where is recording, you mean? Register means
Yeah, it's
impressions are being recorded
exactly.
at that time. Because there's no activity happening.
No, wait. What are you saying?
In the deep state, it's saying it registers the knowledge of things.
No, that's not what it's saying.
Yeah.
Let me see. कहाँ पर है?
In the waking state, the very same awareness is dissipated through the mind and sense organs and all that. in the dream.
And it registered the knowledge of things. That happens in the waking state.
Oh, okay, in the waking state.
Yeah. See, the new impressions can be only gotten in waking state. तो जो
Right.
हम लोग जो चिपकने वाली बात बोल रहे थे ना,
Yeah.
वो सिर्फ waking state में ही होता है.
Yeah.
नए impressions जो पढ़ते हैं. That's why you have to be in that akarma mode. That doing the work but not being attached and doing it for the welfare of the
See,
entire
that's
universe.
why they said that the dream state cannot create anything.
Yeah.
Hmm.
The
They are
waking
only
state
vibrations
Yes.
of what
is the
happened.
only place where you can get the whatever you see.
So the waking state has to be the most important one for
It's only
us.
consolidated and conserved in the
work.
deep state.
Yeah, of course.
Consolidated and conserved.
That's where you can do something.
No,
Yeah.
that's where you can, whatever you
Do
do,
or
it should
do.
not hold the impressions. That's what means. हमारा सारा काम waking state में जो हमारा जो clean up का process है ना, वो हमको waking state में करना
Yeah,
होगा.
exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's where you can do it only.
Yes, yes.
So in
Acha,
the
what
deep
were you
sleep,
saying?
it's only conserving. It's being consolidated and conserved.
Yeah, but you understood why it is conserving. कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा हो, electricity dormant है. हम जब plug लगाएंगे तब उसमें से electricity आएगी ना बाहर. तो वो plug switch off हो गया है.
So it's conserved.
अगर लगा हुआ भी है तो plug off है.
Hmm.
तो कुछ बाहर नहीं निकल. That's why तुम्हारा मीटर चल नहीं रहा.
Hmm.
You can think of it that way too.
Yeah. Okay, Shireen, or you want-
Any more questions? But when we have transcended both the states of waking and dream, we will be in a state called the deep sleep. And in that state, the consciousness in us is illuminating neither the gross objects of the outer world nor the subtler objects of the mental zone. There, in the deep sleep state, the entire consciousness in us seems to have collected together in us and crystallized into one mass of awareness. At this state of experience, our entire consciousness has become a homogeneous mass of awareness. What is this prajna?
Pragnana Ghana. Now remember you were asking what is Pragnana Ghana? So now he's explaining what that word means because that's why I could not explain that word in two letters. I mean, 2 words, sorry.
Okay.
This is a very complex.
This is a little bit complex, but we will do our best to understand it. So basically what they are saying over here is, this deep sleep it's not illuminating any gross objects. That means when we are awake, then our consciousness is the one which illumines these objects. That's why we know. That's why I know he's Joe, you are Sneha, that's chair, that's this, that.
Whatever.
Because everything is there. Okay, in deep sleep, mind is not even available, so what is going to illuminate?
Yeah.
कोई चीज ही नहीं है. It's something like if I go deep into the cave, even if the sun is out, I cannot see anything.
Yeah.
So that's what it's saying. So it's not, that's the word it means, illuminating, right? Not the subtler object of mental zone. जब mind fold हो चुका है,
हाँ,
तो
वहाँ
हम
पे
dream भी नहीं देख रहे हैं, right?
नहीं.
So कुछ भी नहीं है, लेकिन consciousness तो है कि नहीं?
Yeah.
Consciousness has not disappeared. Consciousness is still there, as though it has become one mass of consciousness.
Awareness.
उसमें वो duality है ही नहीं. What is duality? When I see कि भाई
I'm
वो
अलग
वहाँ
हूँ.
बैठे हैं, आप यहाँ बैठे हैं, आप यहाँ बैठे, सब अलग 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 है. एक ही state हो गई, उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं. इसलिए electricity. When it manifests through the TV, it's doing something. Your blender is doing something. But अगर सब कुछ बंद कर दिया तो electricity तो है, मगर वो उस state में है.
The same thing, but we can become aware of everything as one. Then we are.
But वो state तो self realized लोगों के होते हैं ना. हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं उधर जाने की, कि वो लोग duality में भी oneness देखते हैं, लेकिन हम वो duality में फंस जाते हैं. But anyway, यहाँ पर वो प्रज्ञानम घन की जो state बताई है ना, उसमें ये बताया है कि भाई वो consciousness is become as though one mass of consciousness. There is no division in this. There is no nothing in it.
In the deep state.
In the deep state. So that's what it means.
That's why it's bliss.
Yeah, that what you said it exactly. That's why.
Okay, next one explains better. So read,
You read the next
one
one.
also.
This state of homogeneous consciousness is considered as a state of bliss.
Ah, see, you
because
said it.
none of the causes that creates a mental agitation during the waking and the dream state is present there. Not that in the deep sleep state we are actually aware of the bliss, which is the essential nature of that experience, but on waking up from sleep, we compare our experiences with the waking and deep sleep states and declare that there is in deep sleep state a perfect joy and bliss. Thus, no.
So
discussion,
I know, but
yeah.
there only one point I wanted to tell over here, that how do we know that there was a bliss? आपने भी बोला कि there was a bliss.
Yeah.
Just because
Because
when
you
if
feel-
we do get a deep sleep and we wake up,
You
we
good.
feel so
So
happy
relaxed,
and joy.
happy,
relaxed.
That's how we know it.
content and ready to
Yes,
do.
but unfortunately, when we are in deep sleep, we don't even know it. There's
We don't
it's
know
no
what is
knowledge.
happening.
So now, just to come back to this, the people who do meditation, they are aware of that bliss. यहाँ पर एक पर्दा पड़ा हुआ है. किसी ने बहुत अच्छे से बोला कि जब स्लीप में होते हैं ना, तो पर्दा होता है हमारे बीच में. और ये जो मेडिटेटर्स जो लोग उस स्टेट में पहुंच गए जाते हैं, ब्लिस वाली स्टेट में, उनका पर्दा नहीं होता. They can experience it in the
Anytime,
waking.
all the
Anytime,
time,
all
all
the
the
time,
time.
yeah.
Maybe those who are enlightened.
So that's what we should remember. हाँ, ठीक है.
Thus, the great Upanishads, in describing that state of consciousness in deep sleep state, characterizes it as a mass of bliss. It is not so much to assert the experience of any positive bliss as to indicate that the causes for the agitations are not there. The mental agitation and unrest are caused by the plurality and the deeply printed mental impressions of the objects of the world. We, identifying a joy with the sense objects, demand their acquisition, maintenance, and enjoyment, and we cannot give them. There is mental agitation.
Okay, we can
there is
stop
a
here.
repetition, sort of.
So everybody understood that what it's saying, right? That
Yes,
why do we feel so disturbed when we are awake and in the dream?
because of plurality.
And also
All
that
these If we stop seeing
Agitation क्यों
forms
होते हैं?
and differences and
Yeah,
all
अपन को
that,
कोई चीज पसंद आ गई, we want to acquire it, and you know all
yes,
those
yes.
things. So that's
all
what
the
it is.
agitation जो cause है, our desire, our likes and dislikes, you
Yes.
know, and all that, and that is not there in the deep sleep. So that's why.
And
So
mental-
it's a scientific reason.
I
Not
want
some
to
जादू
give
नहीं है कोई.
an
and
example.
impressions, mental impressions, and
I'll give you one example which I just remembered. So I was taking a video of my kids. I mean, Sharad was 9 and Rita was like 7. And so some competition was there, like who was singing or whatever. And so Sharad said, I won, I won, I won. So then Rita said, I lost, I lost, I lost. He said, you're not supposed to be happy when you lose. So the idea is you have to be in that state. It doesn't matter whether you win or lose.
no, when other
But
people
children
But
know that.
imagine for the
You won.
parent, it's
हाँ.
like, do I laugh or do I cry now? एक को वो पर एक
No, the
That's why
idea is
they
that
say that
children
you
feel
should be
that.
happy for others, because if you think yourself as they are one of you, then you should be happy with their achievement.
Yeah, you better
should
very.
have
If
no
you
jealousy,
think they are like
no
one of
anger,
you.
no ego.
That's what
Yeah.
he's saying. That बच्चों में कोई है
बच्चों
ही
में
नहीं
there
है.
is no distinction.
Yeah,
Huh?
that is
They are saying, I lost, I lost, I lost.
Yeah, she's not what's a big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अरे जब ये लोग कंपटीशन होता है ना, पेरेंट्स को ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है.
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
वो ज्यादा रो रहे हैं, वो ज्यादा चिल्ला रहे हैं, बच्चे तो घेर खा के भाग जाते हैं.
true.
The sense object of the world can neither give us joy nor can give us sorrow. It is only because of our contact with the external world and our false values that these objects gain any potency, if at all, in giving us any sense of joy or sorrow. In the deep sleep state, since our mind is not functioning and since our intellect is not extrovert, we are not conscious at all of the external world of objects. Since we are not aware of them, they cannot tantalize us or charm us away, and so they cannot dole us out of any mental agitation.
Let's discuss this because this is very important.
They're saying the sense objects of the world can neither give us joy nor give us sorrow.
That's why I wanted to, because I know it
Because-
looks very
yeah.
confusing. Why? So let's think about it. It's saying that we are the one which give it value. That means
It's how we
आपको
look
पता
at
है
it. Yeah.
कि एक चीज एक इंसान के लिए बहुत important होती है, दूसरे के लिए कचरे के समान होती है.
False values.
So किस the object में this thing, book or that
Yeah.
glass, it doesn't have any value unless I give it a value. That's what it's saying. They are just there, you know. So जैसे शराब की बोतल है, जिसको पीना अच्छा लगता है उसके लिए बहुत वैल्यू है.
Yeah.
और जो पीता नहीं है वो जैसे
उसके लिए
somebody
कचरा है.
brought that
हाँ.
for me is like I don't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
So that's the best example, you know. Or spiritual books. We are, taking care of it, and we have so much value. There's other, if you give, they might just dump
ये
it.
क्या दे
somewhere.
दिया?
Yeah.
I remember in my son's wedding, I gave books, spiritual books only. मैंने वो हनुमान चालीसा का English translation I bought
Wow,
from
that is a
Chinmaya.
very nice thing to
And
do.
you know, कई लोग बोले ये क्या distribute करा है?
Exactly.
So I said, this is the only book you will have throughout your life.
But,
This is the only other objects तो तुम लोग फेंक दोगे.
but I remember I went to this bookworm in Connaught Place when I was 96, first time. And I bought this Brahma Sutra, the one I gave you, for 175 rupees. And this lady bought this table book for 900 rupees. जिसमें सारी भैंसें हैं और सब कुछ लगे हुए थे. So
Table book. What is
Table
मतलब
Table बनी भी है.
टेबल पे
With
लगाने के लिए
picture.
पिक्चर वाली कोई बहुत सुंदर सी
that was
किताब.
900 rupees.
तो
And
मतलब
Brahma Sutra was 175 rupees.
अरे जो मेरे फादर ने मुझे दी है ना रामचरितमानस, उस पे लिखा हुआ है 4 रुपए.
I know.
Yeah, yeah.
And that
चार
is
आने भी देखे मैंने.
4 आने भी देखे हैं
And
वो.
Gita Press.
Gita Press वाली.
Gita is also very
And
cheap.
पूरा ब्रह्म ज्ञान है उसमें.
Yeah.
और एक बार है ना, like we had gone to some library and the book और जो ये गीता भगवत गीता as is by
Yeah.
Prabhupada ji was for 15 cents.
I know.
And my son picked it up, and then later on he said he had to do some project and he read it. He's so good, the book.
Yeah.
Then I say, you see, everything valuable is free in this book,
Right.
but people don't want it.
just like air,
Yes.
sunshine?
Air and
Yes.
ocean and all that. Yeah.
So that's now everybody got the picture what he's talking about in this paragraph.
They
That
cannot-
objects
cannot
do
be
not
because
have
What
anything.
we
give
place
it
our
value.
values
Yeah.
on things. That
But in deep sleep, you know, there is no agitation because हमने कोई value किसी पे डाला ही नहीं. We are just blissful ऐसे. Okay.
Hence, the Shruti explains this sheath as the blissful, the Anandmaya.
Anandamaya.
Anandmay Kosh.
The supreme self identifying itself with this, the deep sleep condition, is called the prajna. The supreme self identifying itself with this deep sleep is called the prajna.
So that is the name of the state. Like remember Vaishwanara, and so this is called prajna, the deep sleep state.
So
This
the
is
person is
prajna or pragna?
Prajna, the way they in Vedanta they pronounce it a prajna.
Prajna.
जो ज्ञ होता है ना ज्ञान का, वो नॉर्थ इंडिया में ज्ञ बोलते हैं, पर गुजरात महाराष्ट्र में they say ज्ञ, तो prajna.
in this prajna seeks its joy not in the external sense objects as the waker does, nor in the inner subtle objects as the dreamer does. In the sleep condition, he enjoys a fullness of joy because of the absence of sorrow.
That's why I said negation. Sorrow ही नहीं है इसलिए joy है. It's a little complicated, but it just because the way the subject is a little subtle subject, so you have to read it few times. But if you have any particular question, Anandmay Kosh जो बोलते हैं, क्यों बोलते हैं Anandmay Kosh, उसका explanation है. Because we have heard कि अन्नमय कोश है, फिर मनोमय, और फिर विज्ञान नहीं, लास्ट इज आनंदमय,
Pranmaya.
प्राणमय कोश.
नहीं, पहले अन्नमय, your body.
Yeah.
Then pranmaya is like the energy
force.
which drives your body.
Yeah.
When pranmaya finishes, then you are dead.
But I'm sorry,
And then-
annamay, manomay,
Manomay.
manomay,
Mental.
pranmay,
Manomaya and Vigyanmaya.
vigyanmay may be the last one.
No, the last is Anandmaya.
Okay, last
the
one.
inner one is the God.
Okay.
Which is
No,
the
but
Anandmaya.
in this case it's not God yet. That's why
No,
I'm thinking.
it's the same kosha which carries that flame.
But what I was trying to say, Anandmay or Vigyanmay में कौन सा higher है, I'm not sure yet, but I will look it up and
No,
tell you.
Anandmaya is the innermost.
Okay. So, but Anandmay Kosh, क्यों बोलते हैं वो उसका explanation यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, because there is no sorrow in this.
So let's say you.
So this person who is in deep slate is called the prajna. The person
The
is called,
state is called the prajna.
or the state is called the prajna.
It's called sushupti or prajna.
Okay. You want to read again the Shruti?
Okay. Again, the Shruti, in trying to explain to us the nature of the sleeper, the prajna, defines it as the very gateway of knowledge. Herein we find that the highest poetry has wedded the great philosophy, and this is the special beauty of the Upanishads. The rishis were not only philosophers, but were very inspired poets at their seat at work, in distinguishing the sleep state as
Chit.
Sat Chit Anand, you know.
Chit.
The gateway to knowledge. The master is trying to explain the same, and the entire capacity to become aware of things is in this sleep state consolidated and withdrawn into one homogeneous mass. That's little deep.
So your question when you asked कि how is it the gateway, उसका explanation है कि एक poetic way में समझाया गया है कि उस state में, when the deep sleep state में सब कुछ है, but it is as a consolidated or withdrawn into a homogeneous mass, and वहाँ से projection शुरू होता है. When the deep state में जाते हैं, that's what it, he's just saying it's a poetic way of explaining.
Yeah. So what is chit? What is it?
Chit,
It distinguishes the sleep state as chit.
chit is consciousness. When you say sat, chit, anand, let's see what it means. Sat means something that exists all 3 periods of time, always there.
Reality.
Reality बोल दो, भगवान बोल दो.
So
conscious-
satya is the three states of sleep. And
No.
Though,
Sat
what is the Sat
is
is?
a thing which हम बोलते हैं ना ये चीज सच है, means it is always there. But in Vedanta, when you say Sat, means something that is not born and dies.
Oh,
It is always there. So consciousness is
Eternal.
always there.
okay.
Like in the science, we say energies cannot be destroyed.
Right.
Yeah.
Either it can change into a
Form,
matter or can
yeah.
go back to energy, but you cannot destroy energy. That's
Yeah,
what it means.
That is the
Sat.
Sat.
Chit means conscious, means awareness. We are human beings, so we are aware of things. एक पत्थर aware नहीं हो सकता. पत्थर मुझे नहीं जान सकता, मैं पत्थर को जान सकती हूँ. That's consciousness. So that is chit, and anand is when
Joyful.
Bliss.
complete bliss, because the nature of consciousness is bliss. Why do we get upset? Because of our false ideas about things, and we give false ideas more value to people, and whatever. You know.
From the deep state, it is projected outwards to eliminate the dream condition, and again, when the projection increases that comes to the external world, the same consciousness makes it possible for us to know the worlds of object outside in the waking state. That's a long one. Let's read that.
हाँ, वापस पढ़ लो उसमें।
From the deep state, it is projected outward to eliminate the dream condition. And again,
When the projection increases.
when the projection increases and comes to the external world, the same consciousness makes it possible for us to know the worlds of object outside in the waking state.
So what I was saying कि how it's projected from that, and थोड़ा पहले बाहर निकला dream में, फिर full projection हुआ, but उसका power house is consciousness.
Power, everything is stored in our
Consciousness.
consciousness,
Yes.
basically. So when we are in the waking state, it's projected out.
So from the waking state, when we withdraw our knowledge, attention or awareness from the external world of objects from the body,
And from the
we-
body.
World of
objects
objects
and from the body,
huh?
we come to illumine the
illumine.
world of the mind and the intellect, which is called the dream state.
Now it's telling the reverse process. From the waking state, we are withdrawing and we go inwards. तो बाहर का बंद हो गया.
No, from
Like-
the sleep state, not.
No, it's
From the
talking about
waking
both.
state.
Yeah.
See, the first part he talked about from the deep sleep state,
Yeah.
he projected outwards, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
Now it's talking reverse. From the waking state, when we withdraw our knowledge, attention,
Yeah,
or awareness,
correct.
and then we go inwards, then it becomes dream, right?
Yeah.
That's what it's saying. So एक projection ऐसा दिखाया और एक वैसा दिखाया.
Yeah.
And then when we withdraw our attention from the dream state, still interior to the inner world, where the consciousness becomes one homogeneous mass, that condition of wakeless and dreamless state is called the deep sleep condition. So 3 levels है, एक में physical withdraw किया,
एक
दूसरे में जो
mind
है
किया.
दूसरे में जो है ये everything in the dream state you withdraw, and that's the homogeneous mass, which is the
Conscious.
third one, which is the deep sleep. Thus, to consider the sleep as an archway through which the striding procession or the shooting rays of the consciousness emerge out, to eliminate the fields of dream and the dates of waking state, is indeed an example of the highest poetry which can be made use of in the subjective analysis of the subtlest philosophy.
The self identifies self.
Okay.
Just finish up, yeah.
That is the next one.
The
You
self-identifying
finish it
self
up.
with the state of...
The self-identifying self with the state of experience in the world is at that time called the prajna, ego, and this prajna is the third quarter of the self.
So I think we have exhaustively discussed this, but anybody has any confusion about that?
Yeah, this last paragraph.
With the self-identifying self. With this state of experience in the world is at that time called the prajna. So when you say the self with the capital letters S, they are talking about that ultimate reality, consciousness, God, whatever you want to call it. So when he's identifying in that state, it's called prajna. Because
Deep sleep and the prajna, I think in the waking statement is called the ego. That's what I understood.
called the prajna ego. Okay, the reason
The
it's saying
self identifies itself with this state of experience in the world is at that time called the prajna ego. And this prajna is the third quarter
no
of the self.
ego it's talking about in that state also, because हमारा ego वहाँ पर खत्म नहीं हुआ है अभी. Okay.
Deep sleep में.
हाँ. That's why we are not self-realized. That particular state, we still have all the impressions and everything. It's in the dormant state. It's not functioning. It's at the restful state. That's why. You know, as we go forward, we will understand what actually ego is. Ego is nothing but when we forget our true nature and we identify with our this world. You know, तो उसका ego खत्म नहीं हुआ, इसीलिए it's still calling it a ego. Om Sarvantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. We can do 3 times Om. I just want to remind about this Om. Now you see how scientific